Good morning, guys. Happy Friday to you, ladies and gent. Today I'm doing another pressure washing, soap washing in this residence home. I'm doing a complete exterior pressure washing in the pool cage and pool deck, and then the outside the house. You can see how just see it, a duck right there. The soffit is already very black and dirty. I'll turn my camera around, see how it looks like. Right here, it's very dirty pool cage, pool deck. Inside and out with this pool cage, I'm going to do so. And I'm going to heat it up with the 5% of S8s, a combination with surfactant, and half 10% of H2O. Yep, so it's here right now. It's here in the back right here. See you there. And all side home. Oh, let's see it is. Turtle. I never really had a turtle like this. Yep, and what I'm doing right now, I'm going to stop what's here. This pool cage. And also here, side the house. A very dirty. And I have a machine here, Predator. It's a beast. Yeah, I just bought that after Christmas for me. So, yep. So you can see the side of the house here. It's a very TLC cleaning. So, yep. I'm going to heat up with 4% of S8 right now, and leave it dwell for about less than 5 minutes, and I'll start spraying. And after that, I get super clean this decks here. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And stand by for transformation here for this home. So hey guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day. God bless.